In this video, we will be discussing about the ASCII characters. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. The trick for ASCII is the SASAS, where S stands for special character, D stands for digit, A stands for capital alphabet, and small a stands for small alphabet, in which first S contains 47 numbers 0 to 47. Second S contains 7 numbers. Third S contains 6 numbers. And the last S contains 5 numbers. As we know, D for digits, we know there are 10 digits from 0 to 9. We know that capital A, there are 26 alphabets. In small a, there are 26 alphabets. So, in special character, 0 to 47 numbers starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 47. In digits, 10 digits. So there are 48, 49, 50 up to 57. That is 10 digits. Special character 2, 7 numbers. 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63 and 61. This is 7 numbers. Capital alphabets, 26 alphabets. So it will be starting from 65 up till 90. Special characters type 3, 6 numbers. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. Small alphabets, 26 alphabets, starting from 97 up till 122. Special characters last, 5 numbers. It contains 5 numbers, starting from 123 to 127. This is a table for ASCII, where you can see that capital A stands for 65. We have mentioned it here also. Capital alphabets. This is A, this is B, and this is capital Z. Let's go to the table. Write a C program to check whether the enter character is digit, special symbol or alphabet. If the alphabet is uppercase, then display it into lowercase and vice versa. Let's move on to the code part. Code for ASCII. Let's print a message for the user to enter a character. Let's declare this ch int char ch. If that ch is less than or equal to 47, less than or equal to 47, or that ch in the range of 58 to 64, or ch in between 91 to 95, or ch in between 123 to 127, printf, it is a special symbol. Else if ch in the range of 48 to 57, then printf digit. Else if the ch in the range of 65 to 90, then printf capital alphabet. For converting capital alphabet into low alphabet, we have to make we have to write a code, that is ch is equals to ch plus 32. 32 is the ASCII character, as the ASCII for small a is 96 and for capital A is 65. So the difference between them is 32. The difference between their ASCII code is 32. So we have written 32 over here. Let's print upper to lower. Printf, that's ch. Else if ch in the range of 96 to 122, printf small alpha. To convert small alphabet into upper alphabet or capital alphabet, we have to minus 32 from the ASCII. ch is equals to ch minus 32. Printf, that's ch. else printf invalid, return 0 at the end. Let's run this code. If we enter A here, it is showing capital alphabet and lower is A. Lower is A. Use slash n for new line. If I enter dollar, it is showing it is special symbol. If I enter 6, it is showing digit. If I enter capital A, it is showing capital alphabet upper to lower and small a. Let's put capital R. Capital alphabet upper to lower is small r. Now put small b. If I put small b, it is showing small alphabet. Lower to upper is capital B. The range of ASCII is 127. If we put 130, then so this is the code for ASCII. Thank you.